You video on?
Tis a bomb, bitches. Tis a leaf. They look like giants or something. Blunt. They're blunt.
Where's the lid?
I don't know.
Got it.
I don't.
Huh?
Facing this hole.
Alright, don't get me facing.
Aluminium, 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 aluminium.
Key ingredient.
Lid, that's the same as the shit that's in the last one.
Water and aluminium.
That's the same shit that's in the last
No,
one.
it's not.
It's in the fireplace. Tom may walk the fuck over here. Here's your ingredient.
Hold on, watch.
Fuck, it's getting big already. Is it? Whoa! Right, was there. Shrapnel is now here. Don't walk over there, I need to show the distance. It is here. Right, where is it? Oh, it was over there. Did you see this?
What?
Oh my god, look at the fucking shape of this bottle.
Holy shit.
Listen to the noise of it, bitches.
And that's how you make a bomb.
Look at the fucking shape of that. Get her over, bitches.